Come on and love me. Come on and trust me. Come on and hold me like you.
Hello my beautiful ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a simple makeup look with a pop of color. So if you're interested and want to see more videos like this one, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get on with the video. So I like to start off with a clean and moisturized face. Next, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal any hyperpigmentation and any under eye dark circles.
Come on and trust me. Come on and hold me.
Next, I am using a damp beauty blender. We're going to make sure to blend all that concealer in.
Scared to be open. Yeah, I can tell by how you
Now for foundation, I'm going to use my all-time favorite foundation, the Lancome Idol Ultra Wear. This is in the shade 370 for medium skin tones. It's a 24-hour full coverage foundation with a flawless natural matte finish. It's so great for all skin types.
'Cause you've been heartbroken. You're scared to be open. Yeah, I can tell by how you move. Oh, 'cause you can't love like there's a limit to your heart. And you can't live like there's a boundary to your soul.
Now to set the foundation underneath my eyes and in the areas where we show expression lines, I use the Revolution Translucent Powder, and this you can find at Ulta Beauty for under like $10. Now to give a little definition to my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 2 or 3 shades darker.
I'll be careful.
Again, using a damp beauty blender to make sure to blend it all very well.
I know you need it. Lay all your fears down on the floor, and I'll make you eggs in the morning. Whatever you wanted. Yeah, baby, just tell me and it's yours. Oh, 'cause you can't.
Now on top of this concealer, to set it and add a little more definition, I'm using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Bronzer. This is also another of my favorites.
Let me in because I know just what to do. Care for you. Care for you. Care for.
I create a straight line following the shape underneath my cheekbones using the same translucent powder as the one I used before. Blend it out right after with a clean blending brush.
I'll be there for you. I'll take care of you.
Now for eyes, I like to add a little bit of concealer to help my eyeshadow stay on for longer and make it stand out a bit more.
I'll be home for you. Baby, I promise you. I'll be careful.
From the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, I am using the second color on the palette on the crease of my lid.
I'll be careful with you.
Then using the third color on this palette, I'm applying it in the outer corners of my lid and blending it really well.
Like you do. 'Cause you've been heartbroken. You're scared to be open. Yeah.
Now for eyeliner, I am using the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner.
'Cause you can't love like there's a limit to your heart. And you can't live like there's a boundary to your soul. Baby, let me in because I know just what to do. Care for you. Care for you. Care for. I'll be careful.
Next, to add some color to this look, I am going to be using this greenish color in the bottom outer corner of my eyes as well as in the inner corners of my lid, along with a hint of highlighter. This one is from Anastasia.
I know you need it. Lay all your fears down on the floor, and I'll make you eggs in the morning. Whatever you wanted. Yeah, baby, just tell me and it's yours. Oh, 'cause you can love like there's a limit to
Once that is done, just pop on some lashes.
like there's a boundary to your soul. Baby,
Make sure to go over your eyeliner to correct anything or the glue. Just add a little more eyeliner over it.
care for you. Care for
Add a little bit of highlighter underneath your brow bone,
will you care for?
on top of the cheekbones,
I'll be careful.
in the bridge of your nose, and in your cupid's bow.
I'll be there for you. I'll take care of you. This I swear to you.
I like to look a little more bronze, so I'm going to add a little more of this shimmery bronzer from MAC. I will be linking each product I use in the description box below.
Careful.
Next, to finish this look, I'm going in with my Velvet Teddy lipstick from MAC and along with a tinted lip gloss. This will finish up the look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in my next one.
Come on and love me. Come on and trust me. Come on and